The Razor Precision Dose Trimming Tool takes the guesswork out of controlling the dose by accurately adjusting the amount of coffee in your portafilter, which is essential for great tasting espresso. The rebate design of the razor precisely controls the gap between the tamped coffee and the shower screen, which is critical to achieving an even, balanced extraction. After grinding fresh coffee into the portafilter, remove and tap around its edges to distribute the grounds evenly, or gently tap it onto the countertop before tamping downwards, level and firmly, just like this. Insert the blade of the razor into the bed of the ground coffee. As you turn the portafilter on its side, twist the razor in one clean motion, trimming off the excess coffee into your knockbox. The razor levels the tamp to be parallel with the rim of the filter basket. So, if you've tamped on a slight angle, that can create an uneven extraction. It solves this problem too. Get improved, more consistent extraction results using the Razor Precision Dose Trimming Tool.